Hello friends, welcome back to Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Girish CM. I am an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist. Today in this video, we are going to talk about flat foot. Flat foot is commonly known as a pes planus, or we call it a collapsed arch. It is relatively common in up to 30% of population. In out of 10, one person will give a signs and symptoms of collapsed arch or flat foot. Flat foot can be affected either both foot or maybe a single foot. Flat foots are caused by either it could be due to obesity or maybe arthritis, sometimes in case of a pregnancy or maybe older ages. In certain cases like in neurological conditions like cerebral palsy or muscular dystrophy, or in case of spina bifida, we can see this flat foot. Once we know that there is a presence of flat foot in the feet, we need to be cautious about the signs and symptoms. If you leave it without doing any exercises, then patient do complaints of pain around the arch or maybe a foot or maybe sometime knee joints, even sometime maybe in the low back due to imbalance of weight shifting. Now let us begin with the exercises for the collapsed arch. These exercises need to do it every day continuously, dedicatedly to prevent collapsing arch. If you do it continuously, definitely you will see a good results and developing a arches in the foot.
Sit on a chair with a tennis or golf under your right foot. Maintain straight spine as you roll the ball under your foot, focusing on the arch. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Sit on a chair with a tennis or golf under your left foot. Maintain a straight spine as you roll the ball under your foot, focusing on the arch. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. While standing, lift your heels as high as you can. You can use a chair or wall to help support your balance. Hold the upper position for 5 seconds and then lower back down to the floor. Do 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Stand with your feet directly underneath your hips, making sure to keep our toes in contact with the floor the entire time. Roll your weight to the outer edges of your feet as you lift your arches up as far as you can. Then release your feet back down. You all work the muscles that help to lift and supinate your arches. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. While standing, lift your toes as high as you can. You can use a chair or wall to help support your balance. Hold the upper position for 5 seconds and then lower back down to the floor. Do 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Sit in a chair with a towel under your feet. Root your heels into the floor as you curl your toes to scrunch up the towel. Press your toes into your foot. Hold for a few seconds and release. Make sure to keep the ball of your foot pressed into the floor or towel. Maintain the awareness of the arch of your foot being strengthened. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Toe walking is a pattern of walking in which person walks on a balls of his or her feet with no contact between the heels and the ground. This toe walking will help to strengthen the calf muscle. Lift both your feet so you are on your heels as you walk. This weight bearing exercise works the muscles that supports the front of the ankle and strengthen the feet too. Keep toes pointed forward but off the ground. Take 20 small steps as you walk forward, then turn around and walk back. Stand with your hands resting on a wall. Keep one leg forward and other leg extended behind you. Press both heels firmly into the floor, keeping your spine straight. Bend your front leg and push yourself into the wall or support, feeling a stretch in your back leg and Achilles tendon. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Do each side 4 times. Sit with inward leg straight out in front of you. Place a towel or TheraBand around your foot and gently pull toward you, feeling a stretch in your calf muscle. Hold for 30 seconds. Do 2 to 5 times. While standing, lift your heels as high as you can. You can use a chair or wall to help support your balance. Hold the upper position for 5 seconds and then lower back down to the floor. Do 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Then hold the upper position and pulse up and down for 30 seconds.
You may wish to have, there is arches which you get it in a online services. Those links are being provided in the description. You can buy those things and with the instruction which will be given how to wear it. So these arches would help to improve your functions as well as minimize or observe the force of the foot when you are walking. There is one more condition which already I've done the video about plantar fasciitis. The same video link which is provided in the description, you can watch that video which will helpful for even the foot exercises also. Keep in mind these exercises just by doing 1 or 2 days will not be effective. You need to do it very dedicatedly for many weeks, then you will start seeing improvement in developing a arches. So these exercise, keep continuing it, you will get a good results of developing a arches so that you can prevent future problems. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel, press bell icon for a future notification. If there is any advice or suggestion, kindly mention in the comment box. Thank you all. God bless you. Stay safe.